omenala Igbo. Oge ite abụrụ omenala Igbo. Ejere ịgbakọ more than 10,000 people oge ite na-agbara. Ihe ndị eji Lagos wee bịa bụ ka nwa ndị Igbo ọ bụrụ na na-agba ọgwụ ma ọ ga-eru ọsọ ya na-agba. Because ha preach about omenala ndị Igbo. Omenala we're not against omenala. Omenala ndị Igbo abụrụ ọgwụ. Omenala ndị Igbo ikpokwu Chineke bịara ebiri igwe niile. Omenala ndị Igbo abụrụ ije bụrụ oke ite. Omenala ndị Igbo abụrụ igbu nne gị. Omenala ndị Igbo abụrụ ịgwọ ọgwụ. Ihe nwe omenala ndị Igbo ikpokwu Chineke bi na mbere n'igwe. Ụka bụ ụka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwusi ọ bata ụka anụ niile ga-emechi n'ala Igbo. Eziokwu ọ bụ na ịchọ ịnụ eziokwu on Sunday I know People's Club I have a program Saturday night I have a program after that I have a program so onye ọbụla bịara People's Club tomorrow a ga-akọwa maka omenala Igbo kọwa maka ihe God bless you about what I do People's Club tomorrow ịma ọgụ na ndị Igbo na-achọ eziokwu ihe ji bịa bụ maka eziokwu anyị na-abịa tomorrow forget offering forget tithe forget seed bịa ọ bụrụ na miracle emere ọma na amụ fake prophet ihe spend million to make sure na ebunatara ife oge ga-eji agbaghị mma if I hear them, I'll do it. I don't know before. I don't look at 2,000. If I won't look at to ever make miracle in that place, I'll go there. That was 2000, yeah, 4 years ago. So, but that's even a kid that's happening. Come on, get back and I'll go to Chineke in a very anyway. Yeah, but it's on. I'll bring him on. I'll be on the internet. Where is the future? Most way, Sana, so we're best. Let the doctors look at that. That is challenge of hearing. It's not also. I'll bring you it. I'll bring you power. Everyone, I'm making boy and Nana. If I say, but that's not it. You can't have a boy. I'm not going to I get no miracle. I'm going to 5 people. 5. But I don't know. 5. And if you feel pain, I don't go hospital. No sickness, no grief. It's never the miracle like that. And I never went. What is that one hour boy? But that's that 1 hour boy. I don't come proof for you. Not that 1 hour boy. This is the solution. I get me confirm that. You go to the school now. I get me I never get that before. That was in 2020. I saw him off you. Oh, when you look at what I saw him off. I saw him tight. You have a couple of are you believe in the Bible? 10 commandments. Oh, you want to go see any? Ebe, Abraham Sana. Oh, you about a pastor or reverend father or bishop. I don't go say the Bible to what you put Sunday. Okay, Bumatana. Oh, what you go to why? Ever see like what you put Sunday, about Saturday. Okay, we go to life. What can I change? Or what can I or what can I you don't pray there. That person has seen that Saturday that word of the Lord. You have once in a kind of budget in a horror. Oh, you said, Nandibo, against the cemetery again. Against the Saracen Dutch again. Because you have slavery. Now, the covenant of God. Open on Wednesday, Saturday, not Sunday. But that pastor, say, you have police there. About that name, they have a remote. Go say your friend better Sunday. But you may go see more than 10 places. As I will need, you worship on Saturday, Sunday. You will do what? You will perish. Here, yeah, edge motor to challenge. Oh my God, motor can't to challenge. All your pastor, see how they are in the motor. That person has to see, no, the viewer know about life. All the way from Lagos. Now, see how they are come challenge the Yahweh. Go to motor. Let me get it. Challenge the Yahweh. The Bible. That was how you offer. Ask you what you want Sunday. Any pastor who did not keep some Ambrande, he said, let me tell you, many people are worshiping Sunday. I know I'm going to do it. I'm not the car. I'm going to say, I'm not so much like I never saw it. So now we are doing it's on the past. I'm going to go to they don't want to tell you.
So someone says, but after 7 days, or Sunday time, on the park, Bushman and Saturday, it's about